Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, like my title says, the Mecca Beauty Loop bonus box unboxing for June 2020. So I got an email to let me know that I've got a bonus loop box ready for me in store online. What it means is if you are a Mecca member and you are level 3, so besides getting your beauty look boxes about 4 times a year, Mecca started introducing a bonus look box, a look gift for those who are level 3 members. So I'm a level 3 member. So I went to Mecca yesterday to pick up my bonus look box. So here we are. I better put on my glasses because I have no idea what it is. So I haven't opened it yet whatsoever. And here we are. This is what it looks like. And sealed. So let's open it. Open it together. Okay. Oh, there's something in here. Just one item in here. And it's a Laura Mercier product. Let me have a look what it is. This special surprise includes one of our Mecca must-haves from Laura Mercier, the iconic makeup brand loved by each and every makeup artist, global influencer, and our very own Mecca team members. Enjoy your gift. Doesn't actually say what it is. And Laura Mercier, I am aware of Laura Mercier, mainly because her setting powder, I think her translucent setting powder is world famous, is rave about all over YouTube on the internet. Let's open this product. Here we are, Laura Mercier. And it says Caviar Stick Eye Crayon, eye color. So let's see. Laura Mercier. The color is copper. Caviar Stick Eye color. So it's an eyeliner, I believe, and the color is copper. So yeah, it's an eyeliner. I'm just going to put it onto my hand here and just show it to you what the color is. So I'm trying to draw a bit more. So it's a bronze shimmery color. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? Quite beautiful. Let me try it on my eyes. Yeah. I just put a bit here. What does it look like? Quite gorgeous, yeah. Just try it on my eyes here. I'm going to use the screen as my mirror. Yeah, quite gorgeous. Yeah, I can put a bit more here. There you are. Quite gorgeous. Yeah. And this is what the color looks like. Yeah, that shimmery, it's like a shimmery bronze. Beautiful. Yeah, okay, I'll definitely incorporate that and demonstrate to you at my next makeup tutorial once I discover how I'm going to use it, the best way to use it. I don't usually put shimmer straight onto my lid here. I tend to put shimmer more on the upper lid here and then the corner here, but I will definitely incorporate that. So there we are. So the Mecca Beauty bonus box. Thank you so much for watching today. If your first time joining me today, welcome and thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and don't forget to click on the ring bell button, click the like button as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.